be talking about 5 sleep apnea exercises that will not only help you cure your sleep apnea but also eventually help you stop your snoring. These exercises are designed in such a way that they will eventually strengthen your orofacial muscles, your jaws, your tongue, and your throat muscles. And performing these exercises will help you reduce the need of your CPAP machine as well as eventually help you stop your snoring.
Okay, so let's begin with these exercises. So before we begin, you might want to rub your cheeks gently to warm up your facial muscles before beginning. Gently open your mouth 5 to 10 times, keeping your jaw relaxed. Your sitting posture should be back straight and head looking forward. The first exercise is the facial exercise, which I also call the cheek stretching exercise. To perform this exercise, open your mouth, stretch your left cheek with your right index finger, as shown in the picture on the left side, and alternately stretch your right cheek with your left index finger, as shown on the picture on the right side. This exercise will help strengthen and tone your orofacial muscles. The second exercise is the tongue extension exercise. Open your mouth wide, stick your tongue out. Try touching your chin with your tongue. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Now relax. Now try to touch the tip of your nose with your tongue. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. So here the pic on the left shows how you're supposed to touch your chin with your tongue, and on the right you can see how I'm touching the tip of my nose with my tongue. This exercise will help strengthen your tongue and throat muscles. Next up is the breathing exercise for your sleep apnea. Take a deep breath through your nose, blow your cheeks. Do not release for 10 to 20 seconds, keeping that air within your mouth. Slowly release the air from your mouth, keeping your lips slightly pressed, as shown in the pic below. Next up is the tongue stretching exercise. Open your mouth wide. Now stick your tongue out. Now in this position, look up at the ceiling. Hold at this position for 5 to 10 seconds. This exercise is really effective and might cause a bit of discomfort initially, so it is recommended you gradually increase its repetition. So our last exercise from the top 5 exercises for sleep apnea is a warm water gargle. If you snore frequently, warm water gargle is really beneficial as it helps reduce nasal congestion and keeps your nasal passages clear so that you breathe in through your nose rather than your mouth and eventually cures your snoring. Gargling with saline water can also help cure a sore throat. So here are a few precautionary measures while performing these exercises. If at any point while performing these exercises, if you feel any pain or discomfort, stop performing these exercises. The best time to perform them is in the morning and right before you sleep. Performing these exercises regularly will slowly help you get rid of your CPAP machine. For more information and detailed exercise plans to help you cure your sleep apnea and exercise videos, visit us at getsetheal.com/sleepapnea or the link in the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such healthy tips and healthy cures. Take care and have a good day ahead.